with this. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo of the music control function, particularly the mobile music. Our last video we do have a demo for the watch music. This time we are going to test the mobile music. So if you are interested to see how the mobile music works for our Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. Let's open the YouTube app here. And of course, let's also open the music control function. We have, let's see if it will play this one. Let's see if this will change. Yes, as you can see here, it changes to the title of the video. Let's see if it's responsive. Next, adjust the volume. Go back. Next. 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 Stop. Next. Next video. Stop. I'll pick a different video here. Stop. Adjust the volume. Go back. Okay. Next. Yes, it changes. As you can see here, the response is very fast. The connection is stable. Next. Stop. So it works perfectly with our YouTube application here. No delay. The response is fast and the connection is stable so far. Next, let's have the YouTube music. In our case, we'll mute the sound to avoid any copyright issues. Next, let's see if it works. Okay, it's now connected. Next, as you can see here, it changes right away. Stop, play. Next, go back. Stop, play. Next song, and stop. So it works also smoothly with the YouTube music application. Very good so far for our Realme Watch 5. I'm impressed with the connection and the smoothness of operating the music control function. There's no delay so far. Let's have the Spotify app. Hopefully it works also. Let's pick this one. Okay, as you can see here, we have a connection. Play. Next song. Yes, it works. Next. Next. Okay, stop. Next. So it works with the Spotify application also. Again, it works with the Spotify. It works with the YouTube music as well as the YouTube app. So we do have a very good Bluetooth music control here for our Realme Watch 5. We already tested the watch music, the local storage music. Watch our video for this demo. And now we have the mobile music, and it works very good with our applications available here in our smartphone. So that's it for our demo of the mobile music control function or the Bluetooth music control function. If you have any questions regarding the video demo or the smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe.